Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Abdul Rehman Khan, but you just says AR Khan. I am enthusiast cyber expert. Join me on an exciting journey into the world of cybersecurity and beyond. On this channel, you'll find a wealth of content dedicated to the fascinating field of cybersecurity. Dive deep into the realm of penetration testing as I provide hands-on experience exercises, showcasing real-world scenarios and techniques to enhance your understanding of this ever-evolving field. From analyzing malware to exploring vulnerabilities, we'll unravel the intricacies of cyber threats together. But it's not just all about code and exploits. I also love to take you along on captivating vlogs and tour videos, where we venture into different locations, discovering the beauty of our world while sharing insightful moments and experiences. Whether you're a cybersecurity enthusiast, a budding ethical hacker, or simply someone with a curious mind, this channel is for you. Join our growing community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about safeguarding digital environments and exploring the wonders of our planet. Stay tuned for regular uploads, where I'll provide in-depth tutorials, thought-provoking discussions, and engaging content that will leave you inspired and empowered. Together, we'll unravel the mysteries of cybersecurity, one video at a time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest uploads. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and make our digital world a safer place.